ClearComm systems, specifically Gen IC and Station IC, can now easily integrate with Stream Deck devices. This is perfect for those who need a physical button or hotkeys to press during the Station IC integration. Let's run through how you can set up Stream Deck, Station IC, and Gen IC together. To get started, you need to download the Stream Deck software from Elgato's website. You can access the Stream Deck software from the QR code below. In addition, you will need to log in and register for an Elgato account. Once the Stream Deck software is installed, you can head over to their marketplace. Perform a search for ClearComm, and now you'll see the Station IC remote API, and you can install this as well. You'll now have to make sure you have Station IC installed and have the latest version. You can access and download Station IC from the QR code below. Once you have the Stream Deck app running and the Station IC API, you'll see it in the bottom right-hand corner of the Stream Deck app. Now, it's a simple matter of left-click holding, dragging, and placing the icon buttons on the Stream Deck app, which will then correspond to the Stream Deck device. You'll also notice you have a variety of options for each key on the bottom of the Stream Deck app, including title, API key, port, key set, keys, and behavior. To locate your API key and the appropriate port, you'll now have to switch over and access Station IC. Select the gear icon for settings and select Remote. You can now copy both the key and port to the Stream Deck app for the button you're currently programming. Once this information is entered, you'll see that the status will become green, confirming that Station IC is now connected to the Stream Deck system. Now, the Stream Deck hardware will automatically update when new buttons are dragged and placed in the Stream Deck app. This will give you a visual confirmation that your programming is progressing correctly. In addition, once buttons are programmed and selected on the Stream Deck hardware itself, your Station IC will respond in kind. To learn more and locate your nearby representative, visit clearcomm.com.